Before you install the seat in your vehicle, you'll need to adjust the harness height to fit your child. From the back of the seat, remove the top tether from its storage, and then you're going to remove the plate right off the back here, and that will expose the harness slots. Detach the straps from the splitter plate, and that's this little metal piece here that your straps are attached to. And to do that, you're just going to push them in very slightly and slide them right out the slot. Lay your splitter plate flat, making sure that there's no twists in your adjuster strap here, and then pull your straps out the front of the seat. And then you're going to thread them back through the straps that you need. Remember, if you have a rear-facing child, you need to adjust the straps so that they're either even or below the child's shoulders. And if you have a forward-facing child, you need to adjust the straps so that they're either even or above the child's shoulders. Once you have the straps threaded through the slots that you're using, we're going to pull them back down right towards the splitter plate. And when you attach the straps to the splitter plate, you want to make sure that there's no twists in the harness at all. There is a longer length to the straps and a shorter length to the straps. Most kids are just going to need the longer length, but if you find you can't adjust the harness tight enough, it's okay to use the shorter length. To reattach the straps, just slide them right onto the splitter plate, making sure that it's completely enclosed in the metal, and then do the exact same thing on this side. Once we have them attached, then we're ready to put the back plate back on. Snap it into place. Turn your little lever there to lock it into place. And then if you're installing the seat rear facing, make sure that you store the top tether again. If you're installing the seat forward facing, just leave it out.